In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger a webhook in Make.com. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each action you need to take. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up and trigger webhooks seamlessly within your Make.com scenarios. Let's start by logging in to Make.com. This is your central hub for creating powerful automation workflows, so having an account is essential. Once you've logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new scenario. Scenarios in Make.com are similar to workspaces. They're where you bring together all the elements and actions you want to execute automatically. You'll find the option to create a new scenario on your dashboard. Simply click on it to get started. Now, you'll find yourself in a blank canvas designed for building your scenario. This is where you'll compile all the modules you want to connect. On this empty space, your next move is to click on the plus button. This opens a whole world of possibilities as you search for components you want to integrate. In our case, you need to search for webhooks. Typing it in will give you a list of relevant modules associated with webhooks. Select the Custom Webhook module from the list. This module will let you create a webhook that you can connect with other services or your own applications. Once you've selected it, you'll be prompted to add a new webhook. This is a crucial step because naming things clearly and logically will help keep your scenarios organized, particularly if you plan on building more complex workflows in the future. To add a new webhook, click on the Add button. This will give you an empty field where you can type in a name. Choose something meaningful and descriptive for your webhook. This name will serve as a reference point not only for you, but potentially for others who might use or modify this scenario. Once you've picked a name, it's time to hit Save. The moment you do this, Make.com will generate a unique webhook URL for this scenario. This URL is your key to triggering actions remotely. You can use it in other applications or scripts to start the processes you've set up within this scenario. Whenever a request is sent to this URL, it will act as a trigger, initiating the webhooks and whatever automation you've configured after this step. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to trigger a webhook in Make.com. With this tool in your toolkit, you can expand your automation skills further and streamline many processes across platforms. Be sure to explore all the other modules Make.com offers, as they can integrate seamlessly with your webhooks for even more powerful workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!